And we have seen now, as I promised you in the previous video. So one thing I have to tell you on this particular video is a kind of an intro, what you as into how what is coming up on the next actually the step that you have to take. So one thing I will advise you see those books I recommend to you, read them. You know, if I have the potential to grab you where you are now and force you on the seat to make you read all those books, I will do that because actually those books will make a lot of difference in your life. Read them. Look, if you wanted to make money, when it comes to online and when it comes to offline in your life, is 80% of what is going on in your mind and only 20% of what action you are taking in the physical world. I don't know what if you get it. So if that is true, you needed to actually grow as in take care of the higher percentage, which is your mind. Another one will take care of it. And those books will actually help you much. And read it as I actually outline it or subscribe it to you. So understand me? Just take it as the best advice you have to take from me. Read those books from 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are other books I have to actually share you, but that one make sure you read them for me because it will help you to reprogram this particular mind. And again, this particular video now is an intro of this particular two audio that beside by the side of this particular video on this particular we are seeing the building business building mastery. Sure, that's I mean. In other words, in the best marketing advice is where we are now. So the two audios I just want to talk about these two audios. We hosted it on actually YouTube. That is why we convert it into MP4 format. But you will not be seeing anybody talking. You will only be hearing audio. So if you wanted to actually convert it to MP3, you might go to Google and search for something like Total Video Converter and use that particular Total Video Converter and use that particular software to convert it into MP3. But whichever one that works for you is say an audio. So number one, regardless of however whichever one that comes first after this particular video you're watching now, is just I want to advise you again. Remember, when you come to actually working on the subconscious on the when actually working on this particular mind, in other words, the one that take 80% of the what cause our success, it's all about the reprogramming of your conscious mind, reprogramming of your subconscious mind, and increasing your vibration. I don't know what if you get it. So if you want this, because actually you cannot out-earn the quality and the quantity or the content of your mind. You cannot out-earn the content of your mind. So if that is true, many people has been programmed in a wrong way, especially when it comes to money. And the only way to get it to done is to reprogram it. As even in the Bible it was said, new wine skin. Let me tell you one thing. This is the secret that the great people actually found out. I know if you get even in the Bible, St. Paul said when he discovered it, he wanted to do good, but he couldn't see himself doing good until he discovered what he called the old nation. That is what we are about to actually tap into now, which is the paradigm. So there is a software that we use to get this particular stuff done, which is this particular two audios that you actually be listening to. So before I forgot, what I would advise you, get those particular two audios into your device, into your mobile phone, or whatever it is that you used to be listening to it, into your iPad, iPod, whatever name it, you got it. You understand me? So when you get it to that particular device, you have to be listening to it morning and evening or morning in the night, depending at least twice every day. At least twice every day. So for me, what I need to do is and what I used to do is to listen to the one of Jake Ducey, in other words, the success hypnosis. And after I listen to it, it's about something like about 12 minutes audio. Then I will listen to the one of Nightingale, the strangest secret in the world. So Jake Ducey is targeting and actually working on the subconscious mind, while Nightingale is working on the conscious mind and at the same time affecting the subconscious mind. So it's very simple stuff. And again, when I downloaded this particular audios at the first time, especially that of Jake Ducey, it doesn't make sense to me. I was like, why would I be listening to it? Because the reason is because the reference of it is not in my subconscious mind. I don't know what if you know why I don't have something that actually explain actually in line up with that particular the audio. Number one is that I barely even hear them because they are speaking in oral English. As I used to do, my one of my mentors here can say, if anything can stop you, everything can stop you. So I don't want to become this particular. It's not because of that particular, the size of that particular stuff. It's because of the size of you, because you are stoppable. But if you are unstoppable, you don't allow anything to stop you. Like what would have stopped me when I get this particular two audios to listen to it morning and night is actually I barely hear them because they are speaking in oral English. Again, you might be hearing oral English easily, but for me, it's hard for me to actually cope. So that is number one. Number two, because I don't have reference of actually what Jake is doing, I don't actually see. There is no instruction, there is no teaching, just a repetition of words. And what did you get it? But actually, it doesn't make sense to me at that particular time. But I say to myself, if this guy is talking about this particular audio and some other people are talking about it, this particular audio, what do I lose? Let me actually start be listening to it. It doesn't mean anything, at least not even up to 1 hour a day. I mean, say once you understand. So in the morning, whenever I wake in the morning, because I stay alone, depending on your own schedule, I just put it into my listen to it. Most of the time I am a Christian. I can just thank God for actually giving me the life of the day. And whether you're a Christian or not, you're in God or universe, whatever you call it, that particular stuff. So before even I can even do my normal morning prayer, I plug this particular. After saying thank you to God for my life today, I'll plug it to my ear and listen to the Jake. After listening to Jake, I listen to Nightingale. And before I'll pray, I don't know what the case. So I have to build my day with this particular route. I don't know what the case. So thank God and listen to it and actually continue my prayer. You understand me? As simple as that. So another one I'm used to do it in the night. In the night when I come back from work, I will just before I will sleep. I'll actually listen to it again, and they are advised to be listened to twice. But when that particular audio started making sense to me, in other words, I started knowing or understanding, as in hearing, understanding what they were saying, and actually getting to that particular the message that they have, because the message is actually the main thing. And know what if you get it. So my subconscious mind started being reprogrammed. All of a sudden, sources and everything being attracted to me. And no notification. So the question is, can you do that? And the answer is yes, you can. If I can, you can. Do not be limited. Do not be stopped by their oral English or by their, or you don't understand what it means. Twice every day, morning, in the night, at least. So when it started making sense, most of the time, if I don't, I have listened to it over and over. I never miss it in a day. I don't know what it is. So if I have time, I'm going out or some other thing, I'll be listening to it. Sometimes, if oh my goodness, this audio actually helped me a lot, and it helped everybody that actually did. So that of Jack Ducey is just affirmation of what you want, and that of Nightingale is telling you about life, especially what is success. According to Nightingale, success is actually a progressively realization of a worthy ideal, and it took me about more than a month before I could even hear this particular explanation. Progressively realization of a worthy ideal, because actually the problem is actually we tend to actually have a kind of conformity within ourselves. In other words, we wanted to do exactly what this particular guy did, and become a problem. And in other words, you can't be unique from actually other members, and this have caused the potential for people to actually expressing poverty in their life. And now then the second problem that men have is that we actually want to get all the work at once and be doing it. You understand me? My friend, be known for one thing at the beginning, even if it be breakthrough with one thing. That is one of the reasons we created Global France Academy. So what we did is actually, how can we tackle that particular problem that people do have? You'll be promoting this and promoting this. So inside Global France Academy, after you activate your product again, you will still see how to activate your product in product activation, how to show understand the second option in this particular business building mastery. So after you get your product activated, if you are promoting Global France Academy, then you focus on promoting Global France Academy. If anybody actually join Global France Academy through you, Global France Academy through you, then if you get any other tools, he get it from you. You don't need to divide your attention and be promoting many tools at once. Regardless of whatever you are promoting, what matters is focus, ask yourself this particular question: how can I get this product I'm selling to the, depending on whatever it is, let us say it's a digital product like this, to the device of everybody in the whole world? I don't know what if you get it. It's not a question of how can I get many products I'm selling to the device of few people if it's a digital product, but how can I get this particular one to the device of everybody? That is the mentality of somebody like Bill Gates and some other thing. How can I, Bill Gates were like, how can I get a particular system, a PC that every desktop that actually into ITC or whatever it is will be using? Do you see how he think? Not how can I get many of the products so that people will be using it. So once you break through with one product, then you have known how you do it and you can do other one. So first of all, before any other thing, read the books, and actually every day, at least twice every day, listen to that two audios and listen to it. Pay close attention. Remember, your attention, take your attention to that particular whatever they were saying. I didn't know what if you get it, because your attention cannot be in two places at the same time. Remember, you understand, it can be only in one place. So focus and listen to it so that you'll be able to get the message and actually help yourself a lot, because once your subconscious mind is being reprogrammed and your conscious mind is being reprogrammed, and you actually have your goal written down as Nightingale had directed us, you understand me, and you have to write it in the present time. And it's very very simple. Let's assume you wanted, your goal is to have name the car whatever it is. Instead of saying I will have this particular car by this particular date, why say I'm so happy and grateful that by that now, not by now, that now I have this particular car, especially that particular car, then by that particular date you wanted to manifest it. So writing I have, you assume you have already have it. I know difficulty. So the summary, I don't want to waste much time on this particular video, because when you have it, when you assume you have it, you have the feeling of having it, and that feeling is what it takes to attract you that particular stuff, or the idea, or the circumstances, the condition, the place, the people that will help you to manifest that particular stuff, or the product, or for you to sell that particular product you wanted to sell. You understand me? Work on this with these books I recommend you, and this particular Theodos at least twice every day. For me, most of the time I watch it even something like 5 times. Whenever you have time, chance, I will just put my earphone in my ears and be listening to it. I have listened to it on this particular today's morning, and I'm about to listen to it when I'm going out now. You understand me? So without wasting time, listen to this video. Do not let anything to actually stop you from listening to it. This video, you see, do not let anything to stop you from listening to it. Neither you don't hear them, no, you don't understand them. Just keep on listening to it. Before you know it, you started hearing them. As far as you are paying close attention to it, and before you know it, you started understanding it. And before you know it, it will actually reprogram your subconscious mind and your conscious mind and increase your vibration. Then you have taken care of what is going on here, and you can actually, with the other trainings that you have to actually see, then you can be able, as in this particular membership. So if you promote a product, you barely have doubts and fears, those particular negative emotion that actually stop us from having whatever we wanted to attract in our life. This particular tutorials and these books will open your eyes, and you see that you don't have problem, that you need to get them the negativity out, and you have the positivity of whatever you wanted in your life. Because one thing I have to tell you is that you are worthy of everything you desire. You deserve everything that you desire, and you are worthy of having it, regardless of whatever it is. If somebody can have it, you can. If nobody have it, you might be the first person to have it. I don't know if you get it. There was inventors in the time of Abraham. That's not like flight aeroplane, but now Wright brothers gave it to us. You understand me? So it was not in existence before them, but from them it became in existence. So do not lose hope, and make sure that you're working on this, and the other rest of the training will be actually for you to be working on the actually the strategical part of your successful life. You understand me? So you learn how to do marketing. If this thing is not in okay, Maybe you can watch other videos, but you wouldn't see that particular stuff you are looking for. But once this particular stuff is okay, here is okay, by reading this book and this watching and listening to this audio every time or at least twice in a day, then other things will be easy for you and you attract success easily. Again, do not let anything stop you. I will see you whenever one day to see again. For the two audios, download them and actually put them in your device and always be listening to them. I will see you whenever in the next module or whenever one day to see again. Bye.